Search is the means through which we navigate the web. If your business is not visible in search, it is difficult for it to be found by your customers. Search, above all else, is marketing, and it is undergoing a massive change. Semantic search is powered by the knowledge graph. The knowledge graph enables websites and people to be discovered in the new Google search. It also becomes the vehicle through which you can intercept your potential customers' attention with a new way of marketing. In many ways, the knowledge graph is the brain of semantic search. This means that search engine optimization is changing. Once a dark art, you could outsource and forget, or buy as needed every time you noticed your website traffic dropping, or your competitors' websites do better than yours. It has now become an integral part of your business practices, and it is closely integrated in your business. As a result of all this, the web is changing. The transition is loosely described as going from a web of websites to a web of people. Essentially, this means that authority on the web and the power to gain visibility in search is shifting from something that happened exclusively through actions that had to take place on a web page to activities that now must be instigated through people, and by people, and they become the prime movers. Google search is getting smarter, and, as it gets smarter, it gets more judgmental. The greatest defense against poor search results, on the Google search results page, is the ability of Google's semantic search to ascribe a trust value on the results it serves. In the age of semantic search, content has become the transactional currency used to unleash real value on the web. When everything revolves around its existence, traditional businesses are forced to become publishers and broadcasters, individuals need to become writers and photographers, and brands have to become more personable and direct. Everyone needs to remain current in their quality, fresh in their output, and constantly be producing content in order to define who they are and what they do. Semantic search draws much of its power in the nuance of the connections it makes between different data points through interactions in the social web. This is what it calls the social signal. The social web is made up of a number of popular social media platforms that play a key role in how search results rank in semantic search queries. Search engine optimization was never simple, but it used to be a lot more straightforward. You knew when things were working because your website tended being on the first page of Google for a whole lot of critical keywords. In retrospect, those were the golden days of SEO. Things now are much, much harder, with the first page of Google's search being different for almost every end user. The idea of reputation, influence, and influencers in the offline world is as old as the hills. It's not new on the web either. Semantic search, however, is creating a portable sense of identity, reputation, and influence that in the days before it simply did not exist. And this is changing everything. Entity extraction is key to the semantic web, and it is exactly what powers semantic search. The web, in its current state, is made up largely of unstructured data. Search engine optimization techniques are designed to help websites that have unstructured data get indexed properly in the semantic web index. The secret to semantic search can be summarized in 4 words: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. These are big data components, and semantic search is a big data manifestation. Unsurprisingly, it is governed by various combinations of these 4 big data components that hold as true for optimizers promoting a website as they do for a business or a brand promoting specific content. From its inception to the present, search has been getting smarter and smarter. One effect of this inexorable march to intelligence is that as it grows in complexity, search becomes less and less obtrusive, less and less visible. What is great for users who simply get to discover what they want without much apparent effort, makes it harder for marketers who want to optimize their website to rank high in search. This is leading businesses to greater efforts, more personalization, more interaction, and greater transparency. All of these, together, are changing the face of business and the feel of the world. And they all start with search.